Hey, what's up, everybody? So we're just waiting on the guy to show up. It's a pretty good car from what I can see through the fence. So basically what we're looking for in a car is we're looking for a good, clean Foxbody GT Foxbody Mustang that hasn't been hit, doesn't have frame damage, hasn't been turned into a drag car or a race car of any kind of it doesn't have a roll cage in it, didn't have a roll cage in it, hasn't been hacked up. That's what we're looking for. So we went to Mississippi and bought a car. The guy swore that the car has never been hit, that it didn't have any rust in it. It was from Texas, and the guy seemed like a pretty honest guy. So I think he was just naive and didn't know that the car had been hit, and he didn't look at it close enough to see if it had been rusted. So we did end up bringing that car home, but after further evaluation, I was like, I don't really want to put frame rails on this thing, I don't have enough time for that. So we started looking for a new car, and we found this Foxbody up in Georgia. The guy swears it has no rust, swears it hasn't been hot rodded, and swears it hasn't been wrecked. So we're going to give this one a look, and hopefully we'll be bringing it home with us. The boys are over here playing somewhere. I don't know where they're at. They're up there. You know how boys are. So they're up there playing around, waiting for the gentleman to arrive. And once he does, we'll go ahead and get inside this gate here, and we'll take a closer look at the car. So the guy's pulling in now. We'll go ahead and stop this recording, and we'll check out this car. See you guys. All right, boys, go ahead and load up. We got the car loaded up. We're about to get out of here. We're gonna go get some new tires over at his buddy's house. Mason, this is my son Mason. He's gonna help on the car. Mason, tell everybody hi. What do you think about this car? You like it? That's pretty cool, huh? It's real nice. You're gonna, oh yeah, throw that in the trash. Not on the ground, in the trash. You want me to bring the trash closer? That'd probably make more sense, huh? Yeah, it might. Yeah. We gotta get all the trash out of there first. Like that paper's trash, yeah. And then that probably is trash. Ew, I'll touch that. Let's not have you touch that.
Do you need this?
Yeah, that's a part we probably need. That's called a speaker guard. It goes on the door over there. Like right here. Watch out 1 second, I'll show you. It goes like right there.
Yeah, so we might need it.
Yeah, we might need that. Yeah, so we'll leave all these pieces in here. We don't need to take any of those out.
Do we need these out?
Yeah, let's keep that. Any bolts or nuts or anything like that we see, we'll keep. And then all this other trash, we'll throw all this other trash away. Okay?
I'm going to throw away this.
Yeah, that's a dirty old hose piece. That's my beer I drank with the guy that sold me the car before we left.
I'm going to dust here. Over
It's like a rat's nest. Ew.
Do we need this?
Yeah, we need that. Put it in the front with those other pieces.
Okay.
Yep, good job. Don't touch that rat nest stuff. I'll do that. And I'll wash my hands for sure.
Yeah, this is for the bottle. We need this.
Yep.
This broken.
What's first? Well, we definitely, if this is going to be the car we build, we need to switch places with that car, right? So we need to switch a tire on that one off of this one again. He can do that. It ain't gonna hurt nothing. We gotta rebuild the whole car. He could literally yank it as well. No, that's not a camera. That's that's a shift light. So when you're supposed to shift the car, that light comes on.
This works.
That works. Honk the horn.
Andrew, do we need this?
Probably. Throw it in that pile. Good job.
So
Alright, so
no,
no, probably not. I guess I'll go ahead and start switching the tires back out again so we can move that one out and this one in. So, Mason, say bye to everybody.
Bye.
Aiden, say bye. There you go. Probably running out of air. That air compressor's probably out. I bet it tripped the breaker. Alright guys, I didn't film anything because I really got to get stuff done, and it's hard to get stuff done while you're filming. So we're on Project Mustang for Aiden. So pulled it in the garage today, tore it apart. We're going to get ready to paint this engine bay. So I got to strip everything out of here, get it all cleaned up, get it ready, you know. So drop the suspension down. I'll go ahead and rebuild all that stuff on the ground and paint that stuff on the ground. This bumper covers had better days. It's all split down here at the bottom, and it's got that natural dip right here, you know, that natural dip here. You can kind of see it kind of go down right there. So, you know, it's got cracks here, it's got some issues, so we'll probably just throw this one on the shelf and use it as an emergency, you know, if we're gonna throw a car together one day. But figured I'd shoot a quick little video, show you guys the car. Here it is in the garage. Can't really get a good angle with this phone, but that's the car. Nice, clean, straight car. We went and got it from Georgia. Solid floorboards, that's what was important. Hey, if this used to be your tag, or you know whose tag that used to be, give us a shout out. Shoot us a comment. Let us know some history about the car. That'd be cool to know. We bought it from, I don't remember the fella's name, but it was up in Macon, Georgia. It's got good body gaps, you know. This one's pretty solid. The other one over here is kind of loose. I don't know what's going on with that, but the body lines are, the fender's just loose there, but we can get that straightened out. It's not a big issue, but you know, it's got pretty good stuff on it. It's all factory, the original sheet metal and everything. The car's never been wrecked. You know, we'll clean up these shock towers and all this, and we'll paint all that up in there as well. You got to get Aiden out here and get him sanding and cleaning on that. But there it is. All right, you guys, I got to get back to work. But I had fun goofing off, and hope you guys enjoyed the video. We'll see you on the next one.